up? It is your girl Simone Sharice here. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, before you leave, I need you to go ahead and subscribe to this video, this channel, and then I need you to also like and comment down below. So to get started with this video, I wanted to introduce to you guys this product that actually I think is amazing and life-changing, especially for wig wearers. So this product is good for lace frontal wigs, full lace wigs, and lace closures, and it pretty much eliminates you having to use any glue, gels, hairsprays, basically any adhesive that you would usually need to use in order to make your wig stay on your head without sliding. Also, I want to mention that this product was actually gifted to me, but all opinions in this video are my own, guys. Okay, I would not steer you wrong. I'm always trying to find the best product for my audience because I feel like a lot of my audience is actually beginners. I feel like it's important to put you guys onto things that will make life a little bit easier. I'm not gonna lie, I am a wig wearer, yes, but for the most part, am I gonna sit here and glue it and gel it every day or frequently? No. Okay, so anything that makes life a little bit easier, I'm always down for. So today in this video, we have the Wig Fix. This is the Wig Fix. Now, I don't know if you guys ever seen it before, but it usually looks clear. They are just introducing their two new colors, so it works good for lighter girls and darker girls. All right, so what I want to do first is I want to go ahead and just open it, show you guys how it looks in case you guys might be curious. In basic terms, it's pretty much a silicone headband. Now, these little dots on it are supposed to help to keep the wig in place. It's very stretchy. Again, this is like a silicone type of feel. These little dots in it, I don't think it will be any issue or cause any issues on your head. I personally feel like my hairline has been a little bit thinning. That's why, like, when you guys always ask me, like, how come you don't wear hair glue? I'm like, girl, I feel like every time I wear hair glue, I lose about a couple of strands, and then those strands are very obvious when it's time for me to wear ponytails. Gotta be glue. I love it, don't get me wrong, I love it. But at the same time, it is very drying to your edges. The thing with Gotta Be Glue, hairspray, gel, and glue, you actually have to take the time to do it. And I think the best part about the Wig Fix is that, girl, you go into the supermarket, if your man about to come over or something, you could just easily throw this on, put your wig on top, and you are perfect, okay? It's supposed to last a really long time, which is awesome. And if you're also wondering, how is it gonna look underneath my wig? It's supposed to be undetectable, so you can't really see it through the lace. All right, now I've been talking a lot. I wanted to show you guys how the product looks. Guys, I have a whole new braid style in my hair. If it is too light, you can always put foundation on it, and that will definitely get you the color that you're looking for. So I want to be very honest, inside of this wig already has the fake scalp method. The only reason why I want to test this wig out is because it looks really good, it falls really good, and I have it up and ready. As you can see in the front, there is no fake scalp method. You can see my finger straight through. So we're going to test it on this wig, and then I'm going to try it on another wig. Most wigs come with a headband inside. It is very seamless underneath, like you can't feel it. It doesn't feel like it's making my wig higher or lumpier at all. It feels very secure, actually. Now, this part I want to point out to you guys because as wig wearers, there's usually the issue with the whole tab portion right here. Like, it's usually like, bro, I can see my air flaps. So with this, it kind of does help it to stay down. But if you really want these flaps to really stay down, I would say use mousse for this. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. This is actually making the flaps stay down. Now, usually my flaps would have been already sticking out like this. So I feel like it is working around this area. I mean, is it gonna stay down permanently? No. The whole point is the Wig Fix band is actually supporting pretty much most of this area. It's just this area right here you would have to probably, I don't want to say gel, but you would probably have to gel down or mousse it down, and it would stay down until you're ready to take it off. I feel like some people might be like, you know what, there's a headband in it, obviously it's going to stay in place. obviously. Like, it feels like it's really snug on my head. It doesn't feel like I need glue or I need gel. Like, I want to show you guys it even up close. So the wig is still laying very, 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 very flat. And again, the sides are also staying down. And I don't even have any glue or gel right here. Like, you can see I can still pick it up. With that part, I'm really impressed with, because to be honest, these flaps be flapping, okay? When I was doing research on the brand, because I feel like there are products out there that try to make life easier for a wig, but it's never like official, or it's never really just like the best product out there. Like, after doing research, learning that it's one of the first wig related inventions in like the last 50 years is kind of cool to know, because besides that, I feel like if we don't have options out there, we're only gonna stick to what we know, which is adhesives. And to be honest, I'm telling you, with this heat in Georgia, and I'm pretty sure in New York, adhesives are just not the way right now. Not for me. Good, like, it's in place. It has security, okay? That's cool. Especially with the band. The band is right here. From right here to right here. I think I'm really upside down right now, but feels good. All right, so now I really want to try to use a wig that has no headband and no fake scalp method, because this is going to be the ultimate test. So I have this wig right here. Go ahead and just peel these things off so that the lace is fully exposed. Again, there is no headband in here. Alright guys, there's no headband in here, and I'm just literally combing this as rough as possible. So you can see it's not even moving or sliding back. So now that we are back and fixed, what I do want to say is I'm impressed again. But let's go ahead and tug and see if it comes off. Okay. So that's cool. There's no like line of demarcation or anything like that. Sometimes when you're wearing wigs and you have no headband, honey child, okay, it is going to slide back throughout that day, especially if you're sweating. So here's one thing that I want to be very, very, very clear on. This product it is not promised that it's going to lay your lace like glue, okay? So if you're looking for the next best product to lay your lace like glue, this is not it. This is to make life easier. This is to give you a break from adhesives and gels and glues and combs, and just make your wig stay in place so that you still have the privilege of wearing a wig. You just now have the privilege of wearing the wig without all the extra work that's usually added to it. That's pretty much the entire point of this headband. This headband promotes hair growth. Sometimes with the lace glues or the gels or the adhesives, those actually can take out your hair. It can be very drying, or it's too sticky. It's glue, so it can take out your hair. The soft silicone nodes that I did show you guys earlier in the beginning, those are actually supposed to help to stimulate the scalp and promote hair growth. I just want to be clear with you guys on those few points, because I don't want you guys to be like, oh my god, it's not really making my edges look glued. That's not the point. Product is like beginner friendly, because not everyone can do all the glue and all that stuff, and sometimes you just want to throw on a wig and still look cute, and you can do that with this. It's very easy to clean, in case you guys are wondering. All right guys, so my final thoughts on this product. It does what it promises. I feel like it feels good on my head. It's not uncomfortable. I could actually see me wearing this on a regular day, because honey, I'm tired of wearing a hat with my wigs because it just won't stay in place. So I could actually see this being very useful. I give it 2 thumbs up. It's definitely worth it. Definitely check out my code Simone10 if you guys are interested in trying it out, and definitely get you a little discount. And thanks for watching this video guys. I will see you guys in my next one.